Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Joel back with another video, and today we will do another unboxing. Let's go. Today we are going to unbox the fgteev series. Now I don't know what's in here. Sounds like something's in there. Let's find out. Let's pour it all out. Whoa! 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 Okay, sweet. Controller over there. So first we got, well, Matt, I think whatever that is. Can't find out. I think the arms go this way. So. Oh, what the? Oh, sweet, it has two faces. Nice. Wait a minute, this. Oh, wait a minute, you could build your own minifigure. Oh, this is cool. So we're building, I think, Megs from the fgteev series. Boom! There you got Megs. I need light so you guys can see it. Give me a second. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm using my phone as a light. So let's see. First I got Megs, as you can see. You got Megs there. Nice. It has two faces. If you see too much light, because I'm using my phone, that's why. But yeah, here we got Megs. We got Megs right here. Megs. Here's Megs. And then we also got and then we also got this. What is this? Oh, it's Sean! Oh, sweet! Let's go! We got baby Sean as a ghost. Nice! That's not bad. Alright, so let's line it up. And then for the last character, we got. What? Oh, this looks like something straight out of a horror movie. What? Oh, wait a minute. I saw this in a video once. I think it is Raging Blobbyfish. There we go. Raging Blobbyfish. Not bad. So yeah, he's in a little tank. See? He's in the tank. So that are the three figures I got in the collection. We got Baby Sean, Megs the Egg, and Raging Blobbyfish. And there's nothing more in here. And then we also got this, which is another fgteev blind bag, or whatever this is. No way! Hopefully I can get it all out. You heard me. Get it all out. All. Ooh, what is it? Came in this fgteev little mini case. So this is what the mini case looks like compared to the big case. So let's see what we got in the mini case. It is putty! Yay! Blue putty with gold stars in them. There. See? Whoa! If you put it on the phone, it'll glow in the dark. Ooh. This is blue slime. This is really, really cool. I like this. It was kind of weird because of the stars, but kind of pokes my hand. But yeah. Anyways, that's it for the video. See you next time.